started, I already have one eye done. And today we're going to be using the new Colourpop Whatever palette. And it looks just like this. One of the most beautiful palettes. So I'm going to start off with this brush here, going in with the shade Copycat and Maybe Later. Just putting that on the same brush. I'm putting that all over my crease. Now I'm just taking the color Maybe Later and putting that sort of lower in the crease. Next, I'm going to be using this brush here, and I'm going to be taking the shade Bad Guy and putting that on my inner and outer corners. And just a tad bit in my crease as well. Next, I'm going to be taking this flat brush here, and I'm going to take the shade Mr. Brightside and just adding that to the inner and outer corners. Now I'm going to go back in the brush we took back into the brush we used to put on Bad Guy, and I'm going to just blend that last color out a little bit. Now I'm going to be taking this little angled brush here and some concealer, and I'm going to be cutting out the middle part of my lid. I'm just going to use my finger to kind of blend out the edges of that concealer. And now on this flat brush, I'm going to be taking the shade TTYN and putting that just on the edges of this. Then I'm just going to wipe this brush off and take the shade Ditching You and put that in the middle. And now with my finger, I'm going to go in with Tardy and just pat that in the middle. And then I'm going to blend this out just a little bit. And now I'm going to take, you don't have to do this if you don't want to use the glitter in the palette, but I'm going to take the glitter called Duh on my finger, just a little bit, not too much, and then just tap that right on top in the middle. And then I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Now that I've added the rest of my face makeup, I'm going to start off by using the brush that we took the first two colors on and put that all over my lower lash line. Then I'm going to be taking the brush that we took the next color on, called Bad Guy, and I'm going to put that in the same place. Then I'm going to be taking the brush we took the last color, Mr. Brightside, on, or the last matte shade, and put that on the same place, right next to my lower lash line. Then I'm going to use my finger and add the color Tardy to my inner corner. Now I'm going to add some mascara and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it and thanks for watching. Bye.